Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Amy and at Softtrix we specialize in delivering the data-driven high performance digital marketing solutions, and today we are back with another case study. It all started with a challenge that many online retailers face. Despite having high quality products, a reputable brand and a competitive pricing, the hoverboard brand was not seeing the kind of returns they have expected from their Google shopping ads. They were selling some of the best self-balancing scooters in the UK, offering models ranging from the entry-level boards to the kids to powerful all-terrain hoverboards for the adventurous riders. However, the ROAS was lagging and the results from the ad campaign did not reflect the true potential of their products. The company came to us seeking a solution and effective strategy that would not only increase sales but also maximize the value of every penny spent on the advertising. They were determined to improve their ROAS, which meant getting more out of their ad spend without increasing their budget. The first step was the feed optimization and the setting the foundation. We have began by diving deep into their Google Merchant Center. The product feed was the heart of the campaign, and we knew that well-optimized feed would lay the foundation for the success. Our first task was to make sure their product title, description and the attributes were perfectly aligned with the most searched terms in the hoverboard industry. For instance, the Vanguard hoverboard, a popular model for beginners, needed to be found under terms like best hoverboard for the kids, and the Drifter hoverboard needed to appear for the searches like the off-road hoverboard. The description were carefully rewritten to highlight the key features such as the battery life, Bluetooth connectivity, LED lights and the weight size, which were elements potential customers were actively searching for. We also ensured that every product had high quality images and detailed, accurate categories. With a fully optimized product feed, the groundwork was set for the Google to serve up the right hoverboard to the right customer. Segmenting products and the fine-tuning campaign structure. Next, we have turned our attention to the campaign structuring. We needed to ensure that the right products were being shown to the right audience. The hoverboards were segmented into three primary categories. First is the beginner model, all-terrain models, and the hoverboard plus the cart bundles. This allowed us to allocate the ad spend more efficiently and bid higher on the product that had the greatest chances of driving the sales. For instance, the Fly Plus hoverboard, ideal for the younger riders, were shown to a family-oriented audience with a slightly lower bid than the Monster hoverboard, which was designed for the off-road adventures. By focusing on the product relevance and adjusting the bids based on the potential returns, we have ensured that the ads were not only visible but highly targeted, reaching the customers who were more likely to convert. We have also incorporated the Performance Max campaign, leveraging the Google's machine learning to optimize the bids and placements across all channels, search, YouTube, Gmail, and so on. This allowed us to increase the visibility without needing to manually adjust bids for every product. We have also crafted custom assets, including the engaging lifestyle images and the product videos, which made the ads more interactive and appealing to the potential buyers. Re-engaging potential buyers with the remarketing. We did not stop at attracting new customers. We also focused on re-engaging those who had shown interest but did not yet convert. Dynamic remarketing ads were implemented to show exactly the hoverboard a customer had previously viewed, adding a personal touch that greatly increased the chances of conversion. We have segmented our audience into the cart abandoner, targeting those visitors who had shown the serious intent by adding the products like the Vanguard hoverboard to their cart but did not finalize the purchase. Previous customers, engaging them to upgrade to the newer models or buy additional accessory like the hover carts. First time visitors, offering them incentive like free next day delivery or the discounts on the hoverboard bundles. This personalized approach helped us to re-engage the customers and guide them back through the sales funnel, maximizing the reach with the Google targeting and the budget optimization. Next, we have fine-tuned our geo-targeting by analyzing past sales data. We have identified these locations had the highest conversion rates and adjusted our ad spend allocation accordingly. Areas where the hoverboards were more popular, such as the urban region or the areas with the high youth engagement, saw a high percentage of the budget being directed toward them. Additionally, we have optimized for the mobile devices which were driving the most traffic and the sales for the hoverboard related searches, trust signals and the customer reviews. Building trust was a paramount in the competitive market like hoverboards. They made the ads displayed positive customer reviews with a spotlight on the 87,978 reviews and a solid 5-star rating. These trust signals, along with the features like CE certification, helped elevate the concerns of potential customers might had about the quality and the safety of the hoverboards. So now in terms of the result, the hard work paid off. After implementing our strategies, the results were nothing short of remarkable. Within a month, the hoverboard brand generated a sale of around $145,000 and the ROAS increased to an impressive 6.23. From every £1 spent on Google, the ad saw 6.23 pounds in terms of the revenue, a figure that far exceeded their initial expectation. This was not just a small improvement, it was a game changer that demonstrated the power of a well-optimized Google shopping campaign. So now in terms of the conclusion, in the end we made this campaign truly successful was our ability to adapt and refine each element of the Google shopping strategy, always with a focus on the maximizing ROAS through the feed optimization, targeted campaigns, remarketing and the geo-targeting. We have helped the hoverboard brand not just increase their sales but also enhance the efficiency of their advertising budget. For brands looking to see the similar success, the lesson is clear. So understanding your customer, optimizing your product feed and making the most of the advanced feature like the PMAX and the dynamic remarketing can unlock huge gains in both sales and ROAS. So if you have the campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is the phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your account and then we can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then don't worry about it. We can share with you some basic information. So for example, you can just share with us the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We can do the research and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please do like, share and subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.